Inhale, slowly raise your right arm up from the front. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up from the front and stretch out. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up from the front. Exhale, down. Now left arm. Now inhale, slowly raise your left arm up from the front. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly raise your left arm up from the front. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left arm up from the front. Exhale, down. Okay, now alternates. Now right arm. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your both arms up from the front. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your both arms up from the front. Exhale, down. Okay, now raise your arms from the sides. Keep your arms sides of your body. Now inhale, slowly raise your arms up and come to Namaskar position. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly raise your arms up, come to Namaskar position. Exhale, down. Deep inhale, arms up, come to Namaskar position. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, now interlock your fingers, elbows straight. Relax your shoulders. Now inhale, slowly raise your arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Now stretch your arms out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. 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 And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Observe your breath. Now, inhale, right leg up and right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up, right leg down. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up, right leg down. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, right arm up, right leg down. Exhale, down. Now left leg. Inhale, left arm up, left leg down. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm up, left leg down. Exhale, down.